Good morning, guys. I'm going to teach you a few little basics in Scratch to get you started. You can simply search for Scratch or after Scratch 2 because you don't need to be on the internet for that. Okay, so when you open up Scratch, you have characters that are called sprites, and the main way around Scratch is obviously you got your characters, your backdrops are here, and you can everything you want that sprite to do happens through these different controls. So for example, if we want anything to happen, we want our sprite to do something when we hit our play button. So for example, I'm going to say when I click the start button, I want him to move 10 steps. Then he might turn 15 degrees, move another 10 steps. Okay? If I wanted him to keep doing this, actually I'll do it 90 degrees. And then we can make a bit of a box out of it. Change those to 50. If we want this to happen for a certain amount of times, we can click and drag repeat in. If you want to edit what's in here, you can just simply drag it out. If I, instead of wanting it to repeat, I'd say if I don't want this repeat anymore, I can drag it back to there and it deletes it. If I wanted it to happen forever, I'd just simply pull that block over, put some other commands I've already created, and I could press, and there it goes, ballistic, until we say stop. So if you wanted to, you might say move that, we might put some, slow him down a bit, and we might say that we only want him to do that 3 times, for example. Okay, now it's a bit easier to see the move 50 steps, wait a second, turn 90 degrees, wait a second, and so on. There are other cool things where we can say, tell him to say hello to us. We can also see where he's going by putting a pen down, and then we want it to have it clear at the end. So theoretically in this one it says hello. Because I haven't got this doing for lots, I'm repeating a command, and that's why it's only going 3 ways around a square. This isn't the command to go all the way around, this is only to go one side and turn. Okay, that's why it's not going the whole way around. If we wanted to, we can make our own block, and we might call it square. Okay, and we might say for a square, over there, we want him to do this 4 times. Okay, we might make it move a bit. Should be able to do that. Shouldn't even need that. Okay, so now that I've said what a square is, I should be able to bring that in. And he should now walk a square, so he's repeating this movement 4 times. You should do this square 3 times. Genius programming.